In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a template to an envelope using Docusign Esignature. If you're looking to simplify and streamline your electronic signature processes, this guide will walk you through the steps with ease. To start, make your way to Docusign's website. You can reach it by entering docusign.com into your web browser. Docusign is renowned as a leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it the go-to platform for many businesses and individuals alike. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, your next task is to log into your account. You'll find the login button on the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Take a moment to ensure your details are correct so you'll have seamless access to all the features. After successfully logging in, you need to navigate to the Docusign home. This is where you'll manage your documents and templates. You can get there by either selecting the home option from the main dashboard, or if you're already actively using the platform, you may simply click on the Docusign logo, which usually redirects you back to the home interface effortlessly. Once you're back home, focus your attention on navigating to the templates section. You'll find this located in the menu area. Click on templates to access your saved templates. If you've pre-created templates or need to access commonly used forms, this section makes it incredibly easy to find what you're looking for without cumbersome searches. Now, with your list of templates visible, the next step is to determine which template you want to apply to your envelope. Once you've made your choice, it's time to put it to use. Hover over the desired template and you'll notice a use option popping up. Click on Use to start incorporating that template into your new envelope. It's incredibly convenient how Docusign allows you to quickly apply these templates, thereby saving you from repeated manual setups each time you need to send out a document. And there you have it. We've just gone over how to apply a template to an envelope using Docusign's e-signature. This step-by-step guide ensures that you can handle your document signing with greater efficiency. Remember, using templates not only saves time but also ensures consistency and accuracy across all your documents. I hope you found this tutorial informative, enabling you to harness the full potential of Docusign for your electronic signatures. Be sure to experiment with the wide array of features that Docusign offers and elevate your document management to the next level. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.